Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts, and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back, everybody. Let's take a look again on the gold market. So today actually we need to take a look on intraday charts and 4-hour time frame and hourly chart. So in the daily we don't have really big changes. So as we suggested, market should reach some intraday targets, in particular speaking the OP around 1785 on the hourly chart, before we start to talk about any position taking here on the long side. In general, market stands in the first area that we have specified as suitable for considering taking the long position, because potentially it might be, well, in general this is not bad support. This is, you can see, natural support area around it, and the first fib level 1790. It's right here. Since recent thrust was relatively nice, this is first retracement, and with this momentum it really might be the point where theoretically market could try and turn up again. That's the logic why we choose this level. Also previously we talked about the brand body trade, but now it's a bit extended, as you can see lots of candle stands here with downward retracement, while in general it suggests relatively fast retracement within the 3 sessions usually, not more than 3 sessions. Here we have much more candles below the 3x3 moving average, and well, theoretically we could call it maybe it's a brand body lookalike, but anyway, this will be just a 30% pullback. Now, a primary task today, tomorrow maybe, is to see what response market will show to this level and whether we will be able to take the position. This is the first moment that we intend to keep an eye on. If somehow nothing happens here, market will keep dropping. Next area, so we have no choice but to consider 1776. This will be 618 support, and actually this is vital point for a bullish scenario, because in the current environment, after this solid upward action, if market breaks the major 618 support area, as tells us that market probably not as bullish as it seems. So besides second pattern that we're considering here after the brand body, so this is potential reverse head and shoulders, and appearing market around 1776, this will be a right point where the bottom of the right arm should be formed. So that's why if somehow we will not see something really here, some response, and market will keep dropping, so nothing is lost yet, and we just turn our attention to another pattern. So on the hourly chart, performance yesterday was a bit tricky, as it very often happens on the gold, because gold is most cunning market in general. So let's take a look. Market has made an attempt to go higher, then collapsed right back down to our OP target. So now we could say that OP has been reached, and we could see minor pullback. So two things that I do not like here, and that make me doubt that we will get any bullish pattern here. First, of course, as you can see by yourself, this is sharp, straight sell-off right to the OP. This is not very good sign. This acceleration to the OP suggests the chances on moving lower, well, increasing, let's call it in this way. So second moment, take a look at the response. It is very choppy without any signs of the fast recovery. So for example, if OP, take a consideration that OP stands below the level. So if market would like to just complete occasionally by some spike the OP with the general intention to reverse up, it usually should happen fast. So market should show some fast spike to the OP and fast recovery. So here we do not see it. Most probable that we will get Gartner's cheaper to sell this minor ABCD retracement, and then the market could keep going lower. So currently I think that this is most probable scenario here, if of course we will not get some external intervention, some speech, some news or something of that sort. But if indeed market will start to form something, very probable that we should get here, or probably maybe even the solid pattern, the single pattern that we could suggest is some kind of the hand shoulders. So I think that if bullish pattern starts to form, that will be kind of the hand shoulder. So it should be left shoulder, head, and right arm should be formed, and market could turn up again. because we do not have the butterfly, we do not have the free drive, we don't have the double bottom or something of that sort. So in fact, the one thing that we could get here is the bullish pattern is possible head and shoulders. But as I said, the chances on this scenario seems not very significant. More probable that after some pullback, we will get another leg down to the XOP. Despite that, here you can see nice divergences forming here, as we have here right now. So actually, that's our view currently on the gold. Currently, we do nothing because we do not see yet the response of the market to the support. We do not have the bullish pattern in place and sit and watching for patterns. Once we will get the hand and shoulders, we start to consider taking the long position. If we get nothing or market is forming at least triple to sell here, chance to reaching the XOP increasing.